Wanted to make a quick video about this interesting problem we had come into the shop today. As you can see, we got a 98 Porsche Boxster, and the symptom was the convertible top wasn't opening anymore. So, checking everything, taking out the big relay, it's a big double relay, and I had to translate from German to English. All of this stuff on here won't focus. But mapped everything out, checked all the sensor lines that were coming in and out of it, and finally found out that it's not getting the unlock sensor from the switch that's in the roof. So this is the roof switch for the lock mechanism right in the center. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the video. This is the little micro switch. There's two standard little micro switches in here. One for all the way open, one for all the way closed, or one for lock, one for unlock. And this bar right here that connects to the plug, this bar has disconnected itself. See if I get this to focus. See that? Cold solder, vibration, but it just disconnected itself. So it would not allow the convertible top to open and close. First we thought it was just going to be the motor, but after jumping the motor using the power probe test light, and where am I? Some jumper leads right to where the motor was, or is, on the relay panel, and I got the top to move perfectly like it's supposed to. So that's when I went to test all the sensors and found that we're not getting the signal from the lock sensor, which is right here, mounted right above the window, right above the mirror, rearview mirror here. That was just an interesting problem. Figured I'd share it. So let's take a little bit closer look at this here. This is the switch itself, and it's just a lever that the lock on the convertible is going to push in, and when it comes all the way out, it activates one micro switch. When it goes all the way in, it activates the other micro switch. So it's just standard little micro switches in here. Turn on this light. They're just run-of-the-mill little micro switches. And the fix for this is going to be a little dab of flux and a little dab of new solder right there where the connector pin comes up to this trace, I guess you can call it, that connects from one side to the other, and it just connects to the one pin inside the connector there. See how it's separated? If only I could hold my phone steady. But let's go ahead and fix this. So first I'm going to come in with a little bit of flux. And a little bit of fresh solder and some heat. And that should do it. Let's put it back together and see what happens.